use 谁的 ，so we learn 谁 is who. If 谁的 means whose possession the same. Again, don't translate. Translate English always disaster. Don't translate. Use picture. Okay, quickly make sentence. She made already. Okay. Yes. Look, this lady. I want to know whose wife. 这谁？她 what? 她是谁的太太 ？Correct. Very good. So say 她是谁的太太 ？Yeah. Use picture, okay? If I want to talk about this lady first, so 她 verb 她是谁的太太 ？So she is who? Because when you answer, you say, 她是 for example, so 她是William 的太太 See, right? Next.
她是谁的老师
Yes. So yes, correct. For example, say 她是谁的老师 Then, for example, say, 她是Rana 的老师 Right? Yes. Next.
你是谁的妈妈
Yes. Look. So the baby, you ask, hello. No, 妈妈孩子 Then you ask the mom, say, 你是谁的妈妈 Many kids there. So 你是谁的妈妈 Correct. Then you say, 我是丽丽的妈妈 Right? Good. Next. Try. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, next. Try.
这个书是谁的
Correct. So 这个 we learn this one, right? 这个 like daily life. Something if we didn't, you don't know how to talk, you say 这个 right? You want to say this one is whose. So 这个是谁的 Because then you add, 这个是我的 Right? Correct. So 这个 something. If you don't know, then no need to say. You just say 这个是谁的 Because then you answer say, 这个是我的 Right? Yes. 这个是他的 Next. Very good. So this is 谁的 Usually it's a difficult one. That's why we practice more here. Then you feel very fluently. Okay, next. Still use possession. Remember, don't translate English. Okay, use picture. Okay, next. Yes.
你是谁的老师
Good. Yes. So 你是谁的老师 Right? Then answer say, 我是 Peter 的老师 For example. Good. Look. 你是谁的老师 Yes. Next.
我是巴基斯坦人谁的
Huh? Say again.
I am from Pakistan.
Yeah. Who is what?
Who are you from
Try again, okay? I don't know what you want to talk. Next.
你们是谁的学生
Yes. 你们 I want to talk about you guys. So say 你们是谁的学生 Right? Answer. 我们是 Linda 的学生 For example. Correct. Next. Next.
这个咖啡谁的？
Again.
这个咖啡是
喝。
是谁的？
是
Yes.
是谁的？
Yes. So 这个咖啡是 because is 这个咖啡是谁的 ？Because the answer say 啊，这个咖啡是他的 ，right? See, say actually this one. 这个 you just add 咖啡。这个咖啡是谁的？对对，这个咖啡是 Laura 的 example. For example,
If I want to say who drink this coffee?
Who drink this? Okay, try again. That's who drink this coffee?
这个咖啡
这个咖啡和谁的？
，no， 是谁的
Who drink
？No，
this
That if who
谁喝这个咖啡？
Yes, that's 谁 not 谁的 Right? That's 谁喝这个咖啡 That's 谁 not 谁的 Thank you. Yes. Understand, Peter? Yes, that's 谁 who 谁喝这个咖啡 Right? Then answer say 我喝这个咖啡 Right? Example say 谁喝这个咖啡来谁喝这个咖啡 Yeah, then say 我喝这个咖啡 Yes? Nice. Next.